Hello children, how are you? I hope all of you are safe and happy at home. Today we will read Moral Science Lesson 4, A Disciplined Life. Lesson 4, A Disciplined Life, page number 17. Now girls, children, what do you mean by discipline? Discipline means to train somebody to obey and to behave in a controlled way. Discipline is the practice of making people obey rules or standard of behavior. This is called discipline. Yes, now girls, Anu likes Saturdays and Sundays very much. She need not go to school, so she can get up late. Anu got up and looked out. Did the sun rise early today? She enjoyed the shining dew drops. Now, activity 1. Children, in activity 1, let us color Anu's house and the beautiful things of nature around it. So children, this is your homework. You will, activity 1 is your homework. Color Anu's house and the beautiful things of nature around it. So you will color this house beautifully. Clear children? All of you will color it. This is your homework. Now, Anu, get ready fast. Did you forget what I told you? No, ma, I am coming. What are you supposed to do today? Anu tried to remember. She remembered Mama's word. There should be an order for life. Otherwise, we will become lazy. So children, these are very important lines. Very important lines. You are staying at home. You are not coming to school. But your routine should be set. There should be an order for life. It doesn't mean that you are not getting up early. Doesn't mean that. There should be an order for life. These are beautiful lines. Now girls, activity 2. What is the activity 2? Anu wrote it on a board. Let us color it. So these lines you will color it. What are these lines? There should be an order for life. Otherwise, you will become very lazy. So activity 2, this is also your homework. You will color these words. Anu thought about her decisions. She looked at the shelf and read her decisions aloud. What she wrote, children? First, I will get up early in the morning. I will get up early in the morning. So children, we should begin our day with a disciplined manner. Right from the morning, a set pattern of routine must be followed to be discipline. Discipline is a part of success. We must begin our day by getting up early. So always children, all of you will get up early in the morning. This is the first rule of your life. Clear? All of you will obey it, that all of you will get up early in the morning. Now next, I will thank God for the gift of a new day. Children, we must thank God for the gift of a new day. We must be grateful to God for blessing us with another day and enjoys His gift like our parents and friends. So after getting up, we should thank God that He has given us a new day. Now children, I will brush my teeth and wash my face. I will take bath and wear clean dress. God has blessed us with a healthy body. And children, it is our duty to keep it clean and healthy. We must brush our teeth, wash our face, have a bath, and we should wear clean clothes. Our body is a temple of God, and the Almighty will dwell in a clean and healthy body. Children, always remember that God loves clean children. So always we should take bath, we should wash our face, we should wash our hands, we should wear clean clothes. So all the things we should remember. Next is, I will study well. Children, you should study well. Your parents, teachers are really working hard for you. You should obey them and study well. You must work hard and get good marks. Next point is, children, I will obey my parents. God has given us loving and caring parents. It is our duty to love and obey them. I will play with my friends. Friend, sister, all of you are have your friend. Children, make good friends and play and study together. Always stand by your friends. God has given us friends to play, enjoy. We share so many things with our friends. Friends make us laugh when we are sad. They help us in our need. It is said also now that friend in need is a friend indeed. So always care for your friends also. Now children, I think these are very, very important life. These days also you should obey all these lines. And I am saying that all these things you will write in the paper and you will put it in the cupboard, and daily you will read all these lines, that I will get up early in the morning. I will, and you will practice also, not simply writing and putting on the board. No, you will practice it also, that you will get up early in the morning. First point, and always you will pray. You will thank God that He has given a new day to you. Then you will brush your teeth, wash your face, take bath, and you will wear clean clothes. Always. It should be your habit that always you are wearing clean clothes. You will study well. And I know that mama is always saying, please read. No, you should study well. Obey your parents, because whatever they are saying, that is good for you children. So you should obey them what they are saying. And next is, you will make good friends and always share good things with your friends. Clear children? These are very simple. Now children, activity 3. Now what is the activity 3? I am telling you. Yes. Children, in activity 3, you will write true or false. So first sentence is, I should wake up early in the morning. I should wake up early in the morning. This is true or false? True, because you should always wake up early in the morning. So here you will write first is true. First sentence is, I should wake up early in the morning. So always you should wake up early in the morning. Next point is, I should obey my parents once in a while. I should obey my parents once in a while. What is it? It is false, because you should obey your parents. Always you should obey your parents, not once in a while. That is why it is false. Means you should obey your parents always. Third is, I must study my lessons every day. Now this is true. You must. Yes, third is, I must study my lessons every day. Children, you should learn, you should read your lessons every day. Fourth is, I need not help my parents. I need not help my parents. False, because always you should help your parents. These days also always you should help your mother. You should help your younger brother, sister. I should thank God once in a month. False, children, because you should always thank God. So This is also false. So children, it is clear. First point was I should wake up early in the morning. That is true, that you should always wake up early in the morning. Next is, second one is I should obey my parents once in a while. So that is false, because you should always obey your parents. Third is I must study my lessons every day. This is true, because you must learn your lessons every day. Fourth is I need not help my parents. That is false, because you should help your parents. I should thank God once in a month. No, you should always thank God. Daily you should thank God. Now children, these true and false are clear. Now we will do question answers. Here, when do you become lazy? When do you become lazy? I told you this thing, that I become lazy when there is no order for life. When there is no order for life, then you are lazy. Next is, what will you do before sleep? What will you do before sleep? The answer is, I will pray to God. I will pray to God before I sleep. So I will pray to God before I sleep. Third question is, write 4 things that you do every morning. Write 4 things that you do every morning. Now children, write 4 things that you do every morning. First, brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Always first you brush your teeth, then take bath. Third is wear clean clothes. And fourth is pray. So, what will you do? First, brush your teeth, then you should take bath, then always wear clean clothes, and then you pray to God. Pray to God. Next is, now this question is clear. Write 4 things that you do every morning. So always in the morning you brush your teeth, you take bath, you wear clean clothes, and you pray to God. Now children, let us sing. This is a song, Mamma's favorite little Tom. Regular timing everywhere. Healthy habits, healthy mind. Clean and neat was little Tom. Taking bath every day, dressing neat, clean and smart, going to school without fail, doing homework patiently. So this is the good song. Now children, next line is be punctual by proper time management. Who said this? Sen Chhabra. I can ask you children this question, that be punctual by proper time management. Who said this? You will say it is said by Sen Chhabra. Oh God, now we will pray. Oh God, help me to be disciplined and punctual in my life. If you are disciplined or punctual in your life, you will get children everything, whatever you want, because these two things are very important in your life, discipline and be punctual. Clear? Good.